Hello and welcome to my new video. I'm a bit camera shy, I don't usually appear much, but I just wanted to say thank you as we have reached over 2,000 subs recently. If you've enjoyed the content and haven't subscribed already, it would be good if you did. The channel is not monetized, it's just because I enjoy it, and it would be nice to have some motivation, and it does motivate you when you get new subscribers. So thank you for that. And another reason I'm doing the introduction personally today is if you've watched the last few videos, I've been trying to give you something very different. And this one is in some ways not so different, except for the price, the upgrades and the inclusions and the value, I have to say. So the house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom pool villa, 505 square meter land plot, 203 square meter living area. Notable upgrades would include 10 kilowatt solar panels, 5 kilowatt battery pack, a full concrete carport, whereas the standard would be a shade sail type, an active triple action water filtration system, so you have drinking water inside and in the outdoor barbecue kitchen area, which is also a nice little upgrade. The internal kitchen is upgraded. There's guttering, which I think is not standard. The house is sold fully furnished, massive TV, you'll see that soon. What you see behind me is the communal pool and gym area, which is actually a really good gym and a 25-meter pool, immaculately maintained. They're actually here now doing the gardening somewhere in the background. So yeah, thank you. Let's take a look at the villa. Okay, technically we'll look at the communal pool area and gym before we look at the villa. So here it is, 22 by 6, and you have here a lounge area. Gym is very well kept, decent equipment, new, modern, and not many people in here sweating. There's a summary on the screen of the basics. Really breezy day today. This villa catches the breeze. We're 11 kilometers from downtown Hua Hin in the beach area. Here's the outdoor kitchen. As you can see, this house is kept immaculately. You will see that a lot more as we go through, of course. This has never been used. Fly screens on the sliding doors there. Tumble dryer. Don't see many of those. Okay, 9 by 4 meter pool. Ventilated roof. And your all important outdoor living area. On the right over there you have the pump house for the pool, there's the filtration and the central boiler, upgraded water storage, and what would normally be an outdoor WC is now a handy laundry room. Showroom standard manicured gardens here, electric gate on the right. This is the carport I've mentioned a couple of times, tiled throughout. A pedestrian gate was added here. I forgot to mention this is a corner plot, which makes it a bit better. Garden all the way around. Okay, so finally looking inside. Kitchen by Quick Danish Kitchens in Hua Hin. A few upgrades and top of the range equipment all the way. Double door fridge freezer, easy access to outside. open plan living. Okay, big 85-inch TV and hi-fi system over there. To my left is the entrance foyer with storage. Those full-size windows over there are another upgrade from previous versions of this villa. Bring in more natural light, and they have upgraded the aircon in here. There's only one split type over there in the kitchen. Master bedroom here. Every bedroom has these built-in closets and dressing tables, as you see. One of the cats. Sliding door accesses the master bathroom with bathtub over there on the left. Double sinks and shower with a rain shower. So the floor to ceiling tiles in the bathrooms is an upgrade. Bedroom 2. So I admit I've forgotten the name of these types of air cons that we're going to have a look at in a minute. The cassette type that mounts in the ceiling. I think you know what I'm talking about. But there it is. Those are in every room. Here we have bedroom 3, currently set up as an office, obviously. Again, everything's included except the computer and the filing cabinet contents, but the desk, chair, everything, not the cat, is going to be going with Mommy and Daddy. Some interesting bits and pieces in here. So, coming to the end, we have the storage equipment room with the solar equipment and shelving for storage, very handy. And finally is bathroom 2. Nice big window for natural light when you're looking at yourself in the mirror. Inside shower. And that brings us to the end. So just to repeat the price, which was mentioned right at the beginning, it's 8.9 million baht, less than replacement cost and far less than the owners have into this house. But it's time to say goodbye, so I'd love to hear your comments. Drop me a line, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you care to. Thank you.